Oftentimes, people going through custody battles in Wisconsin think that the court is going to care about a lot of things that the court often doesn't care about. One of those things is narcissism. We get a lot of allegations that my spouse is a narcissist, he or she is a narcissist. Unless there's a diagnosis of narcissistic personality disorder, it's usually not going to go very far with the court. It's such a common allegation that is made by parties, and oftentimes, while it may be true sometimes, oftentimes simply I think what the parties are trying to communicate is the other party is very selfish, which may be one of the reasons for divorce, but it's not going to generally be an allegation that will result in a party receiving less custody or the other party receiving more custody of children. Another one is recreational drug use. Times have changed. Marijuana, I can remember maybe about 10 years ago, was a pretty serious allegation. Courts took it very seriously and may withhold custody or placement. While there are some judges who may still do that, we're finding that less and less frequent. Marijuana use for infrequent marijuana use is typically not a factor a court is going to consider strongly when making custody and placement decisions. And then finally, a lot of people will bring up past criminal records of their spouse. Unless those criminal records relate directly to children, whether that's some type of abuse charge, sexual or otherwise, past criminal convictions, especially if they're far in the past, years and years in the past, will really not impact custody and placement decisions very much. Again, it's case-by-case basis, depends on the judge, depends on the charges. But generally speaking, unless they relate to children or demonstrate some type of serious substance issues, an ongoing serious substance issue, they won't really have an impact on custody and placement.